I do it after class or should
Yeah,
I do
yeah.
it?
Okay. No, no, it's okay. Do it after class. Good girl. You do your homework every week. Good. Okay. What else did you do in school now, Anna? It's okay. You can keep your camera on. No problem. Hello, Anna.
Yeah, I was on mute.
Huh. Tell me,
Yes.
what else did you do now after the letters and all that? Anything else started in school?
No, miss. My teacher told me tomorrow on Thursday we're going to do our English class because we didn't have our English class today.
Okay. So as of now, we are still with the letters only, no? Formal, informal.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh yeah,
Mm,
miss. 1 second. We had done something. Shall I share my screen and show
yeah,
you?
yeah. Share it. Share it. Yes, yes.
So what we had done was is no. So I had this link, which is called as letters writers. Letters, writers something like that. So we can write over here. So you need to just go and press anything, and we need to just write a formal letter. So
Oh
here,
wait, I can't see anything. Your screen is frozen. I can't see anything. It's all black.
miss, I'm not having internet issues today, but I guess it will.
Just share it again because I couldn't see anything. It was all black. Go back to screen sharing.
Can you see it?
No. Ah, now I can see your desktop. Okay.
Yeah. So we had this thing where we could create our own formal letter. So I had created mine, and I have created. Yeah.
Okay. Oh. 1 minute. Now see, you are writing to doctor.
Yeah, doctor.
Doctor, what is this? See
Chloe
your.
Wilson.
Why you put your email ID below your name?
Oh, our teacher told that. So this thing is.
Achha, the format had the email ID.
Yeah, like here you can see those email. So I had to just put our email ID.
But then you didn't. Okay. Go back to the format. Go back to the letter. Yeah. So you put 102 magic board. Now magic board Andheri East should come on the next line. Ideally, when we do letters, it should come on the next line. Then Mumbai, India.
Okay, because actually in this format it was
Your
showing.
format it was showing like that. Okay. Because otherwise, when we normally do, we do it that way. Now next is you're in Chloe Knight, Doctor. 1 minute.
That is a company. They have told
Chloe,
company also like.
Chloe Knight, Doctor.
No, sorry,
No, then
miss.
you have to put the name. You need to put the name of the person first. No.
Yeah, sorry, miss. That was the
So you'll have to put Dr. Chloe Knight, 117, 7 Heaven, Bandra, Mumbai. Okay. Dear Dr. Chloe, I hope you and your family is okay. Family. I hope you and your family are doing well or
okay.
are okay. I am writing in response to the medication that you gave me. Writing response to the
Yeah.
medication that you gave me. Wait, I can't see. Made me well. 1 minute. I am writing in response to the medication that you gave me uh, to
Pain
gave
felt.
me, yeah, that you gave me uh, to treat, or in response to the treatment that you gave me. You can say I'm writing in response to the treatment that you gave me for the skin, what is that? For the skin condition I faced or I suffered. I'm writing in response to the treatment that you gave me for the skin condition that I faced. You had treated me very well and those medications worked. Now see here, no, you, this line that you've written, no, you had treated me very well and those medications work. So here, you know, see, you can just word it in another way and tell the doctor that I would really like to thank you uh, for for your treatment, as I am cured of my skin condition today. Okay, it did itch and burned me. It did itch and burn for a few days, like you mentioned. It had a few side effects, but I was really happy. Happy it was being treated. Though there was, Ahana, see, you'll have to say, though there were a few side effects, like you mentioned. You can say, though there were a few side effects, like you mentioned, but the medicine was working well. Thank you so much for your help and treatment. Okay, now yours is sincerely. Now sincerely will be with a small s. We don't put it capital.
Oh.
Okay, and see the first two lines now, if you read the first two sentences, they are actually quite similar. See, you're saying the first sentence, you're saying, I am writing in response to the treatment you gave me, which made me well from my skin condition I faced. And second, again, you're saying, you made me well. So you can directly put it into one sentence only. So I'm writing in response to the treatment you gave me for the skin condition which I faced. For the skin condition which I faced, I would like to inform you that now I am completely cured of that condition. I would like to inform you that now, okay, write the first line. Writing in response to the treatment you gave me Okay, I'm writing a response to treatment you gave me and I am cured. No, I'm writing in response to the treatment you gave me for the skin condition I faced. For the skin condition I faced. Okay. I would like to inform you that now I am completely cured of it. I would like to inform you that now I am completely cured of it. Okay, next is see, it did itch and burned it the medicines. Okay, or you can say initially it did itch and burn, burn only, not burned. There is no burned. Okay, it initially
Miss,
it did itch and burn.
Miss, isn't it similar like with that? It had few side effects like you
Yeah,
mentioned.
actually you can mention that, because otherwise I was planning to change that second line. So you say it had a few side effects like you mentioned, but I was really happy
It was
as it was, yeah, as I was getting cured. No, otherwise don't put this as I was, then it sounds like, you were happy with the side effects. Uh, there were a few side effects like you mentioned. You can put it that way. And you have to continue, Hannah. Why are you writing in separate sentence form, like one below the other? It's a paragraph, no? Why are you writing it one below the other? Continue, no? Like how we normally write a paragraph. It had few side effects like you mentioned. Um, but, thank you so much for your help and treatment. This also, it had a few side effects like you mentioned, but they disappeared in a day or two. You can just put it like that. So it sounds complete, but they disappeared in a day or two. Yeah, but they disappeared in a day. Something, you can put it like that. But they disappeared in 2 days, like that. Thank you so much for your help and treatment. Yours sincerely. Okay, fine. So now what I'll do is I'll give you another type of an informal of a formal letter only.
okay, Miss.
So maybe that similar format you can do that.
Okay, one second. Miss,
Okay. You can. What are you saying?
can I do it on the similar site?
Yeah, but then it's better, no, Ahana, it's better if you write it on a paper. Don't do it online. You know why? I'll tell you. Because when you do it online, like if you're making grammatical errors or sentence errors, then sometimes they get auto-corrected. Correct? So what happens is when you write on paper, then if you make mistakes, we will know okay, where you're making the mistakes, and you will also learn. Otherwise, what happens if it gets auto-corrected? You also won't know, I also won't know.
Okay.
Okay, so it's better you do how you normally do your homework, no? You write it and then you send the image.
Yeah.
Do it that way, okay? Now see, the letter that I'll give you now is to be, you are writing a letter to the editor of Times of India.
Okay.
You want me to send you the question?
Yes, Miss.
I'll put it on chat then. You are on chat, no?
Yes, Miss. Yes.
Wait, I'll send it to you there then.
Miss, have you sent it?
1 minute, I'm sending.
1 second, miss.
Got it? I sent it to you. See.
No, miss, I'm not received it.
It's in install chat. You didn't get?
I didn't get it. It's not in the chat box, miss, also.
No, you are using Teams chat or install chat.
Teams.
Actually, you're looking at Teams. I sent it to you on install chat.
1 second, miss. I have downloaded the app. I just closed.
Wait, then I've sent it to you on that chat.
1 second, miss.
Because you're there. Last time you had sent a message to me, Miss, can I call you?
Oh, miss, actually what happened is then it was, it started to, it couldn't accept my login, so that's why I didn't open it for a long time. I'll just
Okay.
check it right.
1 minute, then I'll send it to you. I'll put it on install chat then. Wait. Got it now? You got it?
1 second, miss. One second, miss. Just a second. Yeah, miss, I have received it. And later on after class, I'll log into my account.
Okay, okay. Now you can see. Now you read the question from here.
Write a letter to the editor of Times of India voicing your concern about the increase of use of plastic. It's affecting how we could this problem. Do you mean to write the editor of Times of India to write to ask somebody to write something about the plastic thingy which are
No, no, no. No, no, no. You are writing to the editor. So you're Ahana and you're writing to the editor telling him that you are concerned about the increasing use of plastic. So you want your article to be published in his newspaper. Right, so you can say like like you can say, dear sir, I am a regular reader of your newspaper, and through your newspaper column I would like to highlight the issue of the increasing use of plastic in Bombay or in Mumbai.
so shall I write over that I'm writing to you for my article of this plastic thing it's affecting thing?
So I am writing to you. So dear sir, I am writing to, or I am requesting you to please include this article of mine about the concern of increasing use of plastic in your newspaper column.
Okay.
Hmm?
And I shall write an article by the letter. Then inside shall I write the article
Don't write
inside
the
the letter?
article. So you no, don't write the article. You have to just tell him that what are the so it has to be like, you don't have to write an article inside. You have to just tell him that these are the problems. Like what are the problems? Like I told you, so you'll say, I am writing this letter. I request you to kindly include this concern of mine in your newspaper column regarding the increasing use of plastic in Bombay.
And then over there we need to write what I have to write what is how plastic is
Yeah, yeah. So then you can say like as we all know, yeah. So you mentioned the problem, like as we all know, plastic does not decompose. It causes soil pollution when it is thrown into the waters. Many animals tend to eat it up and then they get choked and they die. So it's causing it spoils the landscape. So there are a lot of problems associated with the use of plastic. So hence it would be wise if all of us can switch over to using recyclable material, like using paper bags, using cloth bags.
Okay, so shall I just,
Okay.
in quotation marks, shall I write that full sentence of mine if I say?
No, there's no quotation. There's no quotation. It will be a normal sentence. There's no need of putting a quotation.
Hmm.
Okay, so you can begin by saying that I am a regular reader of your newspaper, and I would request you to please include this concern of mine in your newspaper column regarding the increasing or the problems caused because of the use of plastic. So this is how you can begin your letter, and then you come to the body. Understood? Anna, you got the points, no? I can't hear you. You're on mute.
Yeah, Miss, I couldn't. I'm so
Ah,
sorry.
I can only see you smiling nicely. I can't hear what you're saying.
Yeah, Miss, I was saying was that shall I write in the body about the reasons, like all the full information, like the reasons of the plastic, like the animals tend to eat it and
But
other problems.
in short, no, don't write one whole essay on that.
Yeah, okay.
A few
So
lines
short.
only. Yeah, maybe about 5 6 lines, and then you have to also say that how we can take care of the problem. That can come in the next paragraph.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
And then your conclusion. Then conclusion and yours sincerely, Ahana. That's it.
If I don't know the place, could I just put any address of where I'm sending this to?
So your address will be the editor, Times of India, Bombay, and you can put any pin code.
I thought we need to also put the road and stuff.
Yeah, so you can just put the Times of the editor, Times of India, say Pearl Street, Pearl Street, Mumbai, and the pin code.
Miss, what could the subject be? Miss, you're on mute.
Subject would be concern about increasing use of plastic.
Okay. Miss, could I keep any name for the editor whenever I'm writing dear?
What is saying? Dear sir. Yeah, you can say dear sir or dear madam.
So, Miss, shall I write dear madam? I'm writing in response to my article.
No, I'm writing in response to. No, you're not writing in response to anything. You are writing to tell her to publish this concern of yours in her newspaper.
I'm writing to you because I want my concerns about plastic.
I am writing to request you to include this concern of mine about the increasing use of plastic in your newspaper column.
As okay.
That's it. So that will be your first statement. So I'm writing to request you to include include my concern about the increasing use of plastic in your newspaper column. Anna, how much have you written? What all did you complete?
Miss, I'm already done with the body. I'm just writing the conclusion, like I hope and stuff like that.
Okay,
So
okay.
just give me 2 minutes, just 2 minutes. Yes, I'm done. Shall I read it out loud? Miss, can you hear me?
Read, read.
To the editor of Times of India, Snow Street, Mumbai, pin code 579081. From Mahala Singh, Blue House Street, Mumbai 579081. Date
First, your
5th.
address has to come, then his address. Ulta you.
1 second. Miss, I just realized. 5th May 2021. Subject: concern about the usage of plastic. Dear Madam, I am writing to you to request sorry, I'm writing to you because concern.
Wait, wait, I can't hear you. Your voice is cracking. I can't hear you.
Miss, can you hear me?
Say again, your voice is getting, it's cracking and getting stuck in the middle. So then I can't hear only what you're saying. You are reading ahead and I'm behind. Read again, read again.
Dear Madam, I am writing to you to request to put my concerns of plastic usage in your newspaper.
I'm writing to request you to publish.
No,
Publish. I'm
I said
writing.
I'm writing to you requesting
Okay, I'm writing to you requesting you to
publish
publish my concern regarding the increasing use of plastic
concerns of
in your newspaper.
paper as it causes soil pollution and it is also been thrown in the river. And sea animals eat it and get choked and die. We can save them by reusing and recycling, like using cloth bags, reusing plastic. It can
1 minute, but what about the concerns? You only mentioned about the choking. Then what about the problem of it taking time to decompose, it collecting on the land, and you know the plastics collecting on the soil and dirtying the environment.
Okay.
It
And
takes.
then it dirties the environment.
Hmm.
We can save them by reusing and recycling, like using cloth bags, using plastic for different uses, and like creating Westlary plastic bottles into a beautiful one. Create Westlary bottles into beautiful soil. You know what do you call them? It usually happens. Soil plants. It becomes as a pot for plants to grow.
Okay, so we can reuse. So that is the next para, na? How we can manage the problem.
Yeah, creating.
So we can use disposable material. What to say? Disposable or we can recycle we can recycle plastic, like using bottles, or using bottles as um, using bottles for
Pots.
some, yeah, as pots, or we can start using recyclable material like paper bags and cloth bags.
Okay.
Hmm.
And then I have written
I can't hear what you're saying.
in. I hope you miss Emma.
No.
I hope. I hope you in the yours sincerely, Ahana Singh.
Your last line, what you said, your voice was lagging. I sincerely hope you will publish it. What you said?
No, I hope you publish my concerns in the newspaper. Yours
Okay.
sincerely, Ahana Singh.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So make these corrections, okay? Whatever we have discussed, no, make those corrections, okay? Chalo, you're ready for dictation? Get ready for dictation.
Yeah.
Okay, right. First word, sequence.
Spelling
Wrote?
is
Sequence you wrote?
NEC. Yeah.
What is the spelling? What is the spelling of sequence?
U
Anna, your
N.
voice is lagging. Your voice is lagging a lot now. Even your video no is pausing in the middle for some reason.
This I internet issues today.
I don't know, because your voice is now
I don't have
your voice is lagging a lot. I can't follow the spelling at all.
S S
S
E
Sequence.
One second.
Sequence.
Next.
Next is enormous.
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 Anormous.
Enormous. It's not enormous. 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 So Enormous.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is nervous.
Nervous. Nervous spelling is Nervous.
Correct. Next is next is attention.
Double T-E-N-T-O-N.
Attention.
Yeah, that's what I've.
Correct. Next is buffalo.
Buffalo.
No, Buffalo.
Buffalo.
Al.
Right?
Next is gymnastics.
Gymnastics.
Gymnas.
Yeah.
Gymnas. Gymnastics.
Yeah.
Okay. Next is giraffe.
Giraffe spelling is Giraffe.
Giraffe. Giraffe.
That's what I'm looking.
So there's an A before the double F. Gira.
Oh, A.
Girafe.
Giraffe. Double. That's what I have written.
What do you say?
I have written GIRA.
GIRAFF.
Yeah.
Next word is angel.
Angel spelling is ANGEL.
Correct. Next is engine.
Engine.
Engine. Engine, the car's engine, no? Engine.
ENGINE.
Correct. Next is through. I went through the market.
THROUGH.
THROUGH.
Yeah, that's what.
Okay, next is stretch. 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 TCH.
STRETCH.
Yeah, TCH. Okay. So done. How many words you wrote today?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Only 1 second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 11 words.
How many you wrote?
I've get yeah, words.
I can't hear at all what you're saying. Voice.
Miss, I have written 11 words.
11 words. Okay. And how many you got correct?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. Okay. Alright. So your homework is another formal letter only. Formal letter to the police commissioner. Got it? Formal letter to the police commissioner complaining about the robberies in your area.
Okay, miss. Yeah, miss.
Got
Yeah,
it?
miss. Yeah. Okay, miss.
And
Thank
yeah,
you.
okay. See you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.